Are you feeling lost in the maze of Medicare Advantage? You're not alone. With countless plans and benefits, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry. We're here to provide you with a detailed roadmap to help you make informed choices. First, explore the resources available for you. Visit MedicareSelfEnroll.com, enter your zip code to find the right plan in your area. Go to InsuredMeds.com to download the free ebook. Next, let's dive into the essentials of Medicare Advantage, also known as Part C. Understanding the Plan Finder tool on Medicare.gov is crucial. This user-friendly guide allows you to compare plans based on your needs efficiently. Independent brokers play a significant role in your Medicare journey. Their expertise can help you find the best options tailored to your specific situation. Identifying and prioritizing your unique coverage needs is another critical step. Consider what benefits matter most to you, such as prescription coverage or additional services. Remember, Medicare Advantage plans are yearly, emphasizing the need for regular reviews. Assess your plan annually to ensure it continues to meet your needs. Whether you're just starting or seeking a refresher, this video serves as your compass in the Medicare Advantage landscape. Stay updated with us. Like, share, and subscribe for more guides on Medicare. For expert advice, visit MedicareSelfEnroll.com or email us at InsuredMeds@gmail.com. Your Medicare journey is important, and we're here to help every step of the way.